Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj from Batch 10 and this is a presentation about our project Biomimetics and Anthropomorphic Robotics. Okay, let's see what our project actually is. Our project consists of two parts, a glove and a mechanical arm. Our project is done in such a way that whatever is due on the glove is relayed onto the mechanical arm via the sensors. Here, next slide, you can see the detailed architecture. It starts from the sensors, the flex sensors, force sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer. These are the client side. So whenever you give a certain value, the value of the bend, for example, the flex sensor measures the value of the bend and gives the value in terms of hundreds, and the value increases as the bend increases. Such value is mapped on to the server side, that is the mechanical arm, to produce the same amount of bend that's there in the client side. Here, this is the sensor glove. As I explained, the sensors present in them are connected to the Arduino board, and then through the Wi-Fi client, it relays the signal onto the mechanical arm. And this is how the sensors are placed on the glove. As you can see, the flex sensors are mostly placed in the joints of the fingers so that the bend can measure. The force sensors are kept between the fingers so that you can measure how close or how far two fingers are. On the flesh, there's a magnetometer, accelerometer, and a gyroscope to measure the torque, the twist, and the motion of the elbow. Mechanical arm. So here in mechanical arm, it usually consists of many servos that are placed in every joint. For example, as you can see in the diagram, that is from the elbow part to the wrist, and the servos are there between every finger so that it can measure the bend that takes place. Timeline. Okay, here you can see what we did, what what and all activities were taking place between this timeline. We started from May 2017. That's when we had the idea and had initial designs in our mind. That till October of 2018, we have been October of 2017. We have been working on mechanical arm and we finished the arm part. Here, 2018, from January, we started planning for the sensor glove. Now, by May, we have done the sensor glove so that it works to take precise movements. We have divided this project into three phases. That's how we presented it in, and these were the improvements that we made after the phase 2 of showing project. We're using the Blink app for the Wi-Fi connectivity so that it sends and receives information wherever you are in the world. It's a program that we use for the Blink app, and here we had shown a presentation in Dr. AIT. This is the this is the sensor cloud that we're talking about. It was connected directly with the wires to the mechanical arm that you can see on the pole, and it was used to relay movements onto the hand. Here we tested each sensors on how it bends and how much we get the rotation that we find. We tested it. Okay, that was a project. Thank you for listening to the slide, and we'll show the video at Dr. AIT in the next slide.